All right, all right, all right. It's about 5 in the morning, first trading day, and got my coffee brewing. There's a storm going on out there. You might hear a little thunder in the background. Maybe it'll add to the ambiance. And the market, the futures are up about 25 right now. Very impressive. Let's see what it does to us. I'm looking at the futures right here. And what could I say? What could I say? What could I say? I mean, I really think the markets are overbought right now. But we keep grinding up, and we got a high of 47.99. Actually, don't worry about the highs because these are the futures, and we don't want to talk about that. But the future is breaking last month's high, um, and we'll see how that translates. But the momentum is kind of flattening and fading off. It's just not telling me anything. I mean, this is just a strong run up. I'm not too happy about that. But I mean, based on the monthlies, I'd have to go with what the market is doing, and it seems rather bullish. Here we still have this divergence of the highs. So, and this would be the weekly, and that's a little frightening. We could have called this a shooting star, but we're getting too aggressive to the upside today to really consider that a shooting star. Um, I would like to see that 4,600 mark. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. That's on the weekly. So again, the momentum is getting flat, and we're still pushing up. I'm gonna have to remain cautiously bullish, bullish, and then here on the daily, keep testing that high. So we have a good breakout point if you're gonna play a swing trade, and you wait for the break of that high. It's testing the upper Keltner, which is at 786, 779. This one, I mean, the momentum's flattening. You could be optimistically or cautiously bullish right here. Um, but I'm looking for a double top and turning around, to tell you the truth. I mean, this is what I feel. Usually has a little fight when it gets around that Keltner. But don't trade what I feel. I mean, if this breaks the high, play the trigger. If you were in this morning, you could have taken the break of Friday's high. Oh, that's the 60-minute. We turned it into a daily. And there's the 60. The 60 is just obviously bullish. Let's see what it looks like on the S&P. We'll start with the daily. This is Friday, and we're going to open up 25 points. I think there's a certain sense of enthusiasm. So I bet we won't open up too far off that 25-point mark. We'll have to see if it comes in a little bit, the futures, into the open. But let's just say we open up 20 points. We're talking about roughly 70. Okay, 86. That's cool. So we didn't quite break. We wouldn't have quite broken yesterday's high. So that could be the beginning of a retrace. And like I said on Friday, we could expect it to test this line and give us a last kiss. That would be a nice, healthy pattern. So if it tests this line, you play the break of the previous day's high, and away you go. That would be a healthy pattern. And then your resistance would come in at the highs, and you'll be able to tell if you're getting a double top or not. I mean, we have the beginning of an up pattern. Here's a low, here's a higher low, there's a higher high. Now we just get, we make a higher low and then continue a march up for a higher high, and we're in an uptrend. So that's what we have to watch for. We're actually at a turning point here. And I think we're going to get that last kiss and then carry on. There's really not a lot going on in the news that we should worry about unless we get something out of Russia. Let's take a look at how we feel on the monthlies. Good strong bar, man. Momentum is kind of flat, but yeah, angling up. It's actually breaking a little bit of a high on the momentum. I just don't like that we're so far away from the Keltner, and this is like 4,300, 4,200. The Keltner should move up. If we consolidated the Keltner, it will grind up, and everything will feel a lot better to me. And on the monthlies, oh, this is the monthlies, okay. On the weeklies, dink, ba-dink, a-dink. See, that's giving us a real strong star right there. That could be a reversal pattern, but it's got to break this low really to start a big reverse. We're going to open up into it if we stay up 20 points. Then we could turn around and break that. So I'm cautiously bullish, and that's what we're going to watch. We're going to watch to see if we break. This is a weekly chart, so this will take. We could break this anytime in the week and then turn around, maybe get Tuesday or Wednesday. So we're just going to have to see how this plays out. So cautiously bullish, everybody. That's your bias. That's your bias on the market. And the reason you want to know your bias is even if you're trading stock, you don't want to go counter to the market. If the overall market is bullish, then you're going to have a bullish bias on a stock. If you're trading the market and you're intraday trading and your overall bias on the market is bullish for the day, then obviously you're looking for bullish trades. I mean, you'll get some bearish trades in there, but you watch your size. You go conservative on your size on the bearish because the probabilities are in your favor in the bullish, unless you see a turnaround of some sort. So anyway, that's the short of the long, man. Wait for another dip. Sock away some investment stock. Let's have a look at the 10-year. 10-year's pulling off too. I think. Yeah, it looks good. 10-year closed that gap right here. It's probably just going to grind its way up. I don't think it's going to be very fast moving, but it's a good buy. We could just say that we're bullish above that line. As long as it's above that line, we'll stay bullish. If it dips down, kisses that line, but stays above it, that's a good buying opportunity. Any dip is a good buying opportunity. We got a little gap right in here. It doesn't have to fill the gap, but it may very well. Okay, can't say it enough, but goodbye. So remember, everybody, calm and cool. You turn off this video, go get in a little bit of meditation. Be at peace with yourself. Oh, before I forget, subscribe, hit the bell, and hit the like. Hit it. I appreciate it. And good luck trading.